So I just got to Georgetown, one of my favorite places. It's a great place to fish. I got some worms for a couple bucks and getting ready to do some fishing. So that white in the background, that sort of haze, is smoke from wildfires from all over the western part of the country. Alright, so I just made my last cast. I'm hoping I catch one last fish, we'll see. And I'm gonna be headed back down to Silverthorne to do some camping overnight. And be sure to subscribe and check the description for cool links. Alright guys, cool. So I got to the campsite on a Saturday at 4. And there was literally the best spot available, so I went ahead and took it. I'm gonna camp here tonight, and then I'm going to Georgetown Reservoir to go fishing tomorrow. So stay tuned for part 2 of that video. Thank you.